Shuffle. This only has to last for like a few more seconds. Go back.
Anybody else?
Do it. Do it.
Do what? Do what?
For starters, knock on the door.
But, no, someone's coming. Let me just go back and grab the hat.
Just knock.
Oh, okay.
They don't pay me enough for this.
They pay you?
Knock.
Oh, what's going on?
Hi, I'm coming to kill you. I mean, pay you back.
Oh, well, thanks. Would you like to come in for tea?
Sure.
Am I doing this right? Kill! Ouch, 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 ouch!
My table!
That's great.
Hello. Hi, I'm Brian. Nice to meet you. Okay, so I'm writing a book about your murder. Oh, that was just great. Oh my gosh, that was wonderful. Oh, thank you. It was my first time. Really? Oh my, I do not seem like it. Okay, so my sister is gonna love this book. I'm gonna tell you when everything is publicized, and oh, it's so great. That's amazing. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll tell you. Good luck with your books. Good luck with your murders. Thanks. Forgive me, Father, for I must rant. Okay, so here's the thing. I was having a really good day, and then I went, and then I killed somebody, and I feel so bad, because killing's a sin, and it's bad, and I just
You had to kill her. With the children.
But, wait, wasn't the other one a girl?
Yeah, the last one quit. I'm sorry to see that.
Hey, I was under a lot of pressure. I didn't get to drink.
Oh, wine. This is not what you're
You get minimum wage for this? Are you done in there?
No, go jail. But I need to convince him. No. What am I gonna do?
Who wants a yam?
Anybody
need a yam?
No!
Hey, you want a yam? Here you go. Just take it. Yam.
What's a yam? I don't understand. It's not my day, and I just ooh, there's a note. I know what you did. What'd I do? Kill.
Yam Nation!
Hi. Your soul is reborn.